In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to properly use a cane. Don't turn away, because that learning starts right now. Howdy! Learn about MS with me, Aaron Boster. I started this YouTube channel to help my own MS clinic patients learn between clinic visits. And it's my hope that through these videos, I can help you learn too. I recently published a video on how to set your proper cane height. And I was surprised at all of the comments and questions that I got in response. So thank you very much if you participated in those comments. One of the questions I was asked was, would you please do a follow-up video talking about how to properly use your cane? And that's a great idea. And that's what I'm going to do right now. So when you're using a cane for a weak leg, you're going to hold the cane on the opposite side of the weak leg. So if my right leg is weak, I'm holding my cane on my left, not on my right. That's the first thing. And you want to use the cane along with your leg. So I take a step with my left foot, and then I plant my cane and I use my right foot. What this is doing is it's taking the pressure off my right leg and transferring some of it here. So then I take a step forward. So if I show you what that looks like from back here, I'm going to take a step forward with my bad leg and my cane, and then I'm going to take a step forward with my good leg. I'm going to put this forward, and then I'm going to walk like this. The second tip is you don't want to put all of your weight on the cane. The goal is not to use the cane completely, but to use it as little as possible. You want to try to bear as much weight as you can here and really use the cane as a balance point and as a push-off point. So once again, you're going to hold the cane opposite of your bad leg. So in this example, my right leg is bad. I hold the cane on my left. And when you walk, you're going to walk with the cane and your bad leg at the same time. And the second piece is, don't lean all your weight on the cane. You're going to use it as little as possible while the leg does as much work. And so, doing it properly, this is what it's going to look like. Once again, my name is Aaron Boster, and thank you for learning about MS with me. I would love to hear your comments and questions about how to use a cane properly. Let me know if this was helpful. And if you'd like to hear more content like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Until my next video, take care.